Welcome back. My name is Laura. I'm a Montessori homeschooler to 2 elementary age kids. And today I'm going to share with you how we work on a long division problem in the stamp game using a 0 in our divisor. So I have my dividend set up on my mat. We have 3 thousands, 2 hundreds, 7 tens, and 6 units. Some people call them ones, but in Montessori we call them units. And now I'm going to build my divisor, and we use our Skittles to represent the divisor. Red is hundreds, blue is tens, and green is units. That's the Montessori hierarchy colors. So we have 100. We have 0 tens. So we won't be distributing to our tens today. And we're going to put a placeholder. So we just keep in mind that if we had tens, we know how much we would be giving to them. And then we have 9 units. I think I have 9 units in here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. No missing pieces. Always a possibility in our classroom. Okay, so we're going to put that out. And in division, we always distribute fairly. So the 100 Skittle is representing 100 units. We could put 100 unit Skittles out, but this allows us to simplify our distribution. A 10 receives, this represents 10, but of course this is a 0. So we have no tens, and then these are each 1 unit. So we're going to start distributing. I see we start with our largest place value, and I have 1,000 I can give to my 100. Now, if I had tens, I would pass out 100 because each unit is receiving 10. 100 units behind this 100, if you can visualize them, there's actually a whole lesson called Division with Bows where we introduce this concept. So each unit's getting 10. So now I can move over here and pass out 9 tens to my Skittles here. Looks like I need to space these a little further out. Oh, I picked a big unit problem here to do. Okay, so I'm about to run out of tens, I can see. So in order to get more, because I need to distribute fairly, I'm going to turn in 100 and get out 10 tens, which I've pre-counted here to make this faster. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. Everyone has received a fair amount, and now we can go back and distribute again. If this is fiddly for your kids like it is for mine, we like to put a hard surface down here, so it can be a box lid from one of the materials boxes, clipboard, whatever works. So now we'll pass out 1,000 and another 9 tens. So my kids have both enjoyed Stamp Game Division. I found they enjoyed the stamp game most when the problems became more complex. But the stamp game is such a wonderful material. It can be used for all 4 operations, squaring. It's really a fantastic investment if you're homeschooling. Okay, once again, I've run out of tens, so I'm going to turn in 1 more 100 and get 10 more tens. And I do have 1 more 1,000, so I can keep distributing. I can put my 1,000 here. And then I have more tens to pass out. Now you may have observed I used up all of my hundreds. So if I still had hundreds left, when I finish this row, I could start distributing hundreds here. The 10 would have received tens and the units would get units, but we are out of not only hundreds, but also tens. So we are done with our work. So this is going to be our remainder. So the answer in division is always what 1 gets. So we look here and 1 gets 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens, 0 units, and a remainder of 6. That's our quotient for this problem.